It's another episode on my channel.
Okay, we'll do this way.
Carnivore night. The Wendell.
So you gotta go.
And again, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Mixology, my IG. I keep you updating every time about what's going on at the Wendell Bridge. Alright? Right now. Beach right now. Down here. Yeah. Sharon. Andy.
You're gonna sit with me.
Sharon. Sharon.
Get up, stand up, stand up.
We have mac and cheese and chicken tenders, virgin potato wedges, and onion rings, mashed potato and potato wedges. That was like yeah. We have
This one?
Korean desserts, and Jamaican desserts, and orange cakes.
Thank you, Chef.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, man, we got to go. We got the trouble tonight.
Good, good.
This was a guy getting too much trouble. Too much trouble. Too much trouble. Too much trouble. We're gonna take a short break. We'll be back in a couple of minutes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We got to go. Set, by set, 10 cent, dollar. 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 Where? Spread your legs apart. When you come out to the game, I must spread your legs apart. Watch it, here we go now. 1, 2, 3, 4, dollar. $1.25. $1.25. $1.25. $1.25. That's the best dollar. Go back to the left. Go back to the left. Go back to the right. Go back to the right. Go back to say. Go back. Go back to say. Go back. Take a jump on there. Take a jump on there. Take a jump on there. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, that's our time. We want to say good night to you. You guys have been absolutely wonderful.
So that's it for today. Well, it's end of the night. We have fun today. It's a carnivore night tonight. Everybody have fun. Everybody's dancing. That's that's what we do over here at the one. And I keep you updated whenever activities we have. We have like the Monday night, the Caribbean night, and then Wednesday is the seafoods night, and then on Friday today is the carnivore night. We have the steak, we have the sliders, we have this chicken, and then we have roasted chicken actually, and then we have roasted pork, and then we have mac and cheese. That's for today. It's Friday. Everybody have fun, everybody's dancing. And Sunday we have a big event, the football, the Super Bowl actually on Sunday. That's gonna be big over here. There's gonna be lots of people. There's gonna be a really busy bar. And then on Tuesday, it's Valentine's Day, so another function over here. That's gonna be at Tides Restaurant. That's gonna be another busy day. So I give you a glimpse of the water or beach at night, what we have. All right. So and before we end up, actually, I please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and then my IG, Naked Mixology, and then my Facebook page also, Naked Mixology. So I'm gonna show you the water at night, our water over here. So this is our beach. Oh, see, look at this bird at night. You see the bird? See the bird, right? See that? So every night when I drive, I saw this bird is like flying, like crossing my car sometimes, you know. So there's a, by the way, this is our beach at night. So look at this. Really still nice. You can do a night swimming if you want, but it's not recommended. It's night and there's no lifeguard. So it's up to you if you want to go out, but it's not recommended actually. And that is next door. That's the Mimi's Bar by Moritz. And then this our window over here. So look at the rooms, the lights at night. And there's our bar at night. So we're closing actually, so there's nobody's here now. So I'm just showing you. So that's it for now. I see you next time. Yeah. All right.